I have tested nearly all the AI ad generators on the market. Most of them spit out generic text, awkward visuals, and ads that just scream AI all over the place. Then I tried out a tool called Holo AI, and that changed everything. It is the only tool that actually captured my tone, my style, and the feeling of my brand without forcing it. So Holo AI pulls your brand directly from your website. That is, your colors, your wording, your vibe, and everything. Then it starts to generate ads, posts, emails that sound like they have been written by you. And that's what blew me away. So in this video, I will walk you through how Holo AI works. You'll see how easily it learns your brand, builds your ads, and overall I will show you what kinds of results you can expect from it. By the end, you will know exactly how to create high converting advertisements using AI without any technical know-how. Alrighty, so let me show you how to start using Holo AI. And by the way, I have arranged you a special 30% discount. You can find the code in the description of the video, and there you'll also find a direct link to this onboarding page. But now all you'll literally need to do is just click login, and you will see a cool looking animation like this. And then if this is your first time signing in, you are not going to see this dashboard, but you're going to see the onboarding flow as the first step. But since I've done this multiple times, I'm going to see the dashboard. Nonetheless, just click here and click new brand. And this will start the onboarding process. Just hit continue. Then, as the first step, you need to tell the AI what is your website URL. And I'm going to use bloom.com as an example. So let's say that we're, for example, creating content and marketing materials for this brand. Then let's hit continue. Then just choose your language, then tell your business name and what you're selling. So bloom.com and products, and then let's hit continue. And this starts to analyze your brand. Then once a minute or two passes by, the analysis is complete, so we can click continue. And here, the AI has fetched all the colors and information from the website, which in this case is bloom.com, and it has also selected the niche. And you can also list some competitors if you wish to. So this helps the AI to create advertisements based on what your competitors have on their website and based on what's working for them. So that's pretty cool as well. But we're going to skip that for now. So let's click continue. Then on this page, you're just going to need to check if the AI got your products right. So it has automatically gathered the products from your website, which is pretty incredible. As you can see, we have all the images and the names and everything. And there's this one issue where it says invalid, no images. So let's just remove that product. And by the way, if you see that some of the products are missing, or if you want to import one, you can just tell the AI from which URL you want to fetch a product. So you can directly copy paste a product URL into this page, and you can also add an image, secondary image, angles, in-use images, whatnot, and description. But I have found that the AI does a very good job at that already. So for now, we're just going to click on continue. And now is the fun part. So now that the AI knows your brand and everything, it is time to create the first piece of content. And to do this, you need to choose the templates that meet your eye. So I like these very simple ones and basic ones. So we're going to choose some of these from the list. And it allows you to choose only 5. So once you have done that, hit continue. And once again, it will take a minute or two to render your first advertisements. And once that's done, you get to choose which ones you like in this Tinder style fashion. So let's click continue. It shows you that if you swipe left, it is going to discard the advertisement. And if you choose to swipe right, it is going to accept one. So let's play this game now. So I like this one. This one's really cool. This one's simple and cool, really nice. This has too much going on to my liking. Here the text is a bit off. This is good. There's a bit of too much text, but it's still good. This one's really nice, really nice. Really, really nice, and a bit off. I would say this one's nice as well. This looks good to me, and there's too much going on in this one. So that's how we selected our advertisements. Now let's hit continue, and I'll just press hold for a second, and the AI will take you to the dashboard. And here is the content dashboard. So here are all the advertisements we just accepted. Now you can just basically download these if you wish to. But what's making this stand out from the other competitors is that you can also edit these advertisements. So just an example, let's turn this background into red. So here on the right hand side, you can type in anything. So let's type in turn the background red and let's hit send. And there we go. So it is the exact same advertisement, but this time the background is red. Let's try to do another edit. So let's make it more Christmas-like. So let's say give it a Christmas vibe and let's hit send. And there we have it. I mean, isn't that incredible? And as you can see, all the text and everything is in place. So this looks exactly like a real advertisement. And speaking of text, it sometimes so happens that the smaller the text is in the products, the AI might start to add some quirkinesses into it. So for example, here in the Daydreamer package, you can already see that the A and Y letter are a bit off, or the text starts to look like it has been generated by AI. But to be brutally honest, that is nitpicking, because people that see an advertisement like this, they are not going to look at it for like 20 seconds or 30 seconds. They're just going to click through or reject. And now that you have this advertisement, you can also use these popular options. So for instance, you can resize it if you want to make it, let's say, an Instagram advertisement. You can do a taller aspect ratio, and you can also scale it up. So if you download the image and if it's too low resolution, you can just click upscale to create a better looking version. So I don't think we need to do it here because this looks pretty much perfect to me, but if it's not that, you can always upscale. And then if you have an advertisement that you like, for example this one, just click variate, and now you get to create up to 5 different variations in this advertisement style. So for example, let's tell it to make it more urgent, and let's click generate 5 variations. And here are the ad variations. So here's the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, the number 4, and the number 5. I mean, this is so incredible. So I literally, thus far, have just let the AI know my website name. And with a couple of clicks of a button, I have had these types of advertisements created for me, which is mind-blowing. But now let's not forget that this is an AI tool, and with AI come all these common issues. For example, I'm going to do another round of edits, but this time on this other advertisement, just to show you that it can sometimes go wrong. So for example, here's an advertisement that I otherwise like, but I think that there's way too much text going on. So I'm going to say, cut the text in half. There's way too much text going on right now. And let's see what happens. And here we go. I actually did this a couple of times. Well, as the first attempt, there is no change in anything basically. So it is the exact same advertisement, the exact same text, and it just made it like an inch taller for some random reason. But then here in the third one, we actually start to see that the AI tried to remove the text from here, but all it did was just make absolutely no sense of it. So definitely the AI does not always nail the edits. If you have an advertisement that is close to being good and you try to edit it once or twice or even 3 times and the AI just doesn't get you there, it probably means that the AI is not capable of editing that specific advertisement because of these random AI quirkinesses that we always have. But now that I have shown you how to create and edit advertisements and what kinds of issues you might face with these edits, let's move on to the other awesome pieces of content that you can create using Holo AI. So first of all, you can also craft emails here. So create new, and you can either choose from these templates, or you can go back and choose the concept, pick a length, click continue, for example, Christmas style, and then just hit continue. And here are your 3 concepts. For example, I like this one since there is a number in the title. Let's hit generate on that. And after a minute has passed by, here is your AI generated email campaign. And this looks super good to me. Although I must admit that when I have done email marketing, it has been related to something completely different. So I have never sold products like this. I've just sold courses and stuff like that. So when I write emails, I basically just write a very simple, very generic and very basic looking email with just text and maybe bolding. But I think it's an entirely different ballgame here. So this one looks like a ready to be used email for sure. And now notice that you can, in a very similar fashion as to how you can edit those add creative images, you can also edit your email template here, or the ready-made email parts here. Then in a very similar fashion, you can also create content for social media. So just hit socials, create new, and then you can pick any one of these options. But for example, for now, I'm going to choose the post swipe option. Let's do 9:16 format, and let's do 5 posts. And I'm going to type in create engaging Christmas style posts for Instagram and hit generate. And this is just so amazing. So after 1 minute, here are your AI generated social media pieces of content. And once again, you can swipe right if you like this and left if you dislike it. So I think that this one looks good. This one looks really good. This one looks even cooler. This one's so good as well. So now we have 3 brand new pieces of content over here that are ready to use with just a simple download. And once again, if you're not happy with this, just click these 3 dots over here and click edit, and you can tell the AI whatever you want to make it different. I mean, this is just so insane. And then let's move on to the video advertisements. And I was actually so excited for this that I forgot to record when I was creating this first one for this brand. But nonetheless, head over to this content library, then click videos, tap new to create, and then here are your options. And don't let this deceive you. This AI scenes and this AI ad movie, these are both coming soon, but you still have the image to video and AI UGC style advertisement. So this is super awesome, and this AI UGC trend is massive right now. But I think that the best results are from this image to video section. So just click there and then choose one of your existing designs. And I think that the simpler the design, the better the video output is. So we can try it, for example, with this one. So let's choose this photo we created earlier for social media, and let's click continue, and let's tell it to make it eye-catching, and let's click continue again, and this starts to render the advertisement. And now that I actually did the same just in the previous step, but I forgot to record it, here's what the result actually looks like. So here it's rendered like in a Facebook style advertisement, and perhaps the only issue here is that this video looks otherwise super cool, but this green smoke or this stuff over there is pretty random. And unfortunately, right now the video edits are still not available. So if you get a result like this, you just have to regenerate the video. And by the way, now the second video just completed generating. So here you can see what that looks like. So as you can see here, there is no longer that random green smoke. While there's still something going on in the background, it looks way more natural and fitting to the context of this advertisement compared to the previous one. So this is how it basically works. So you need to always do a couple of generations and creations if you don't start to see good results. Then let us move on to the second video advertisement type we have on Holo AI, and that is the AI UGC advertisement. So the idea here is to produce these advertisement that don't look like an advertisement. So it is much more like a relatable, authentic product recommendation advertisement. So let's click on AI UGC. Let's choose product in hand. And right now the half screen option is still coming soon. So we need to just use this full screen one. Then you get to choose from one of these actors. And once again, because this is a UGC style advertisement, you want to make it look very authentic and relatable. So just an example, let's choose Ruby over here and let's click continue. Then let's pick the product that I want my avatar to show and let's click continue. And let's do ad for Christmas, and then remember to choose the voice. So we can do, for example, Rachel, and we can show subtitles, and let's hit generate. And after about 5 minutes, here we go.
Discover Bloom.com this Christmas, empowering your natural beauty with clean, cruelty-free skincare. Feel radiant today.
I'm not gonna lie, that is just terrible. So the person is not even holding the right product. So this is some kind of a soft drink or some kind of juice, right? And she's talking about skin products. So this is just completely off. And you can try to regenerate it a couple of times, but don't get frustrated if they don't nail this one. I've had very bad experiences with the UGC style ads on Holo AI, so perhaps that's the only issue I really have with the platform, other than the small issues with the edits of the images as well. So I just wanted to showcase this to you, and since this is an honest review, I must show stuff like this as well. So I think this is the only part that doesn't really work on the platform. Overall, this is a super powerful platform. As you can see, I did all of this with just a couple of clicks of a button and by telling the AI what my website is. And that's literally it. So for instance, this video advertisement is just so insane. You can only imagine how hard it is to produce one of these without using a tool like this. And remember, this is the worst version of Holo AI you will ever see. So this is just getting started and it will grow like crazy from this. So who can imagine what you can do with a tool like this in a year from now? And now you understand exactly how to create high converting advertisements using AI. So all you literally need to do is, if you have a website with some products on it, just go to Holo AI and tell it your website name, and that's literally it. Then you can just click to create advertisements and use simple commands to edit those advertisements or create new versions based on what you liked in the past. This tool also crafts your social media posts and emails, and it even does some basic video advertisements. But as you can see, the UGC style advertisements were not that great. And if you want to create those, I highly recommend watching this video that I'm recommending somewhere over here or here next.